If you recite Surah Al Ikhlas, you will get the same reward as reciting 1/3 of the Quran. Love of this surah will be a pathway to paradise. If you read it 10 times, Allah will build you a house in paradise. Recite at sleeping and you will be safeguarded and fearless from everything except death. Whoever recites daily 200 times a day will be wiped out of sins of 50 years. Our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, used to recite it 3 times when going to sleep, with Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas, and blow in his blessed hand and rub over his body.